So I think in the back of my mind, when I'm thinking about conservation grazing, especially in woodlands, I'm thinking about what are the animals, ancient species that the modern domestic animals are a proxy for. So I'm thinking if cows are really good grazing woodlands as a proxy for aurochs, an ancient species, ponies for tarpan, again a very ancient horse breed that's now extinct. Sometimes pigs can be a proxy for wild boar. So you're really thinking of it in those terms, and what are they actually adding to that habitat from an ecological point of view rather than actually taking away. And deer come into that as well. At Gate Barrows we've got 3 species of deer. So we've got roe and red, which are classed as native, but we also have fallow deer, which are not strictly native. But they're all big grazing animals within that system as well, that actually, if managed in the right way, can add something to that habitat, and we can use them, especially where we want to keep certain areas, rides and glades within the woodland open. So actually it's just thinking about what's grazing, what would have grazed thousands of years ago in those kind of habitats, and how we can use them to engineer the habitats in a way that we want and is going to be good for biodiversity.